7721. How do you like those numbers? 7721. What do we have? Newegg is what they call it. It is an e-commerce platform. The stock 5187 range. You can see here on the 60 minute, it was down here, the low 27 and a half, and he pops it right there where that solid arrow is to 71. Yeah. Then it fades back to the low, and then we pop and make that final destiny, and then we have a drawdown as it will. So right now, that stock is doing extremely well. The intraday high, 79.07. Yes. And once again, sometimes with the earnings and the news and the headlines, you get these kinds of stocks. But when they do this, then they become very, very strong stocks in the future. And they're worth buying pullbacks when they do this because you can make a lot of money when they get strong, and then when the pullbacks fade in and test support, then bam, up they go again. So this is very encouraging for all our traders who want to try to take this on. There's always a new Newegg, e-commerce Newegg. I remember them so many years ago. The symbol is NEGG. Right now at $40, of course, and really bid popping, severely nice in this after hours market and whatnot. And we can see where the news hit, then we can see the price ranges forward looking from this particular kind of pop. And when they pop like this, that means they get very strong. So price range right now, we're printing at 75.2 million shares, and that you are. And you never know, Reddit, Wall Street Bets, those kind of chat rooms, they're trying to make a move in a market, and they're getting a good one out of NEGG if people were following it. But once again, it's the news that you're trading. And when you get news, you get price spikes. And that's how these kind of plays work. So, once again, it goes on our list of opportunities, and that it does. And, there's always going to be new companies that can do extremely well. There'll be more Amazon type stocks. This Newegg has been around a long time, and they have. And they're in retail, technology, they sell everything. I bought a couple things from their website before, Newegg.com, if it's the same one, which I believe it is, but, Newegg Commerce Inc. is what they call themselves. So it is Newegg. I bought things up there, and, that was 20 years ago or more, 25 maybe, or 20, it seems like. But nonetheless, when you add a new position to your watch list, you want that watch list to know that whenever the price movement in dollar terms is that high, that is what builds future momentum, and that it does. So let's stay focused just on that part. What is the most relevant when buying the dip, buying the pullback, and taking it back up to lower highs or new highs? Newegg